In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add photos to the photo gallery. Since it's a members only feature, we need to make sure that we're logged in first. First thing we want to do is go to the upload tab. When we click on it, it'll take us to the upload page. Now since this is our first time adding photos, we also need to create an album to put them into. If we already had uploaded photos before, we could simply select which album we wanted to place our new photos into and then continue from there. For now, we're going to click on create one now. So now we're on the create a new photo album page, and we need to give it some information. We can give it a description. We need to choose a category. Access means who can see your photos. Registered users only is only DaleHowFishing.com members. Public access is everybody. Commenting and ratings can only be done by members. I'm going to allow comments and allow ratings. And when you're done, just click add. That creates your new photo album, as you can see from the message here. And since we have a photo album, now we can add photos. I'm going to click on the add new photos button. Okay, first thing, it'll tell you how much space you've used. We allow each of our members to have 25 megabytes of storage for photos. So far I haven't added any photos, so I haven't used any storage space. Photos use up more space the bigger they are. So in order to cut down on your space and be able to add more photos, you can use this link right here, which will link to a tool for PicResize.com. And you can click inside the box or click browse to look for pictures to add. When you double click it and hit continue, it'll give you a few options to resize your photos. You can resize them by a certain percentage, or you can choose a custom size by clicking on this little radio button. I'm going to resize mine to 400 pixels by 300 pixels. I'm not going to add any special effects. You can save it as a couple different file formats. The first one, JPEG, is fine. Click on Resize Pic. Now it gives you four options: to preview the image, save it to disk, save to web, advanced edit. 9 times out of 10, all you need to do is click Save to Disk. Save the file. I'm going to save it in this folder here. And after you resize it, you'll notice the original file name, it has RSZ and then underscore placed in front of it, which stands for resize. So you just go ahead and click Save. That's the only photo I'm going to resize right now, so I can close this window. Now I'm ready to upload my photos. And all I need to do is click on Browse, and then double click the photos that I want to add. Here's the resized photo. I'll add this photo here. Then we can add a few more if we wanted to. So you can upload multiple files at the same time. Once you got to 10, you'll get this message that only 10 upload fields are allowed per uploading session. That doesn't mean 10 total, that just means this time we can only upload 10. So once you have the photos selected that you want to upload, just come down here and click on the upload button, and then give it a second to process the files. Now here's our new message. File names uploaded successfully. After you've uploaded your photos, you can change some information on them. Give it a title. We'll call this one 10-pound largemouth. Tags are keywords that help visitors search your photos easier. We'll give this a largemouth tag and Dale Hollow Lake. If you wanted to move it to another album, you could do so here. You could give it a caption. and we can set it as the album cover as well. Now once you're done editing this photo, you want to click on Save Changes on that particular photo. It doesn't save changes for all of the photos that you've uploaded. So just keep that in mind when you're adding your information. Make sure you click on Save Changes for each photo. Every time you do that, you'll get a message that tells you if it's been updated. If something goes wrong, you'll get an error message up here. When you're done, all you need to do is go back to the main photos page and you'll see your new photos. Up here under recent albums, if you created a new album, that'll appear here. You can also see the photos you've uploaded in the recent photos down here. These are some of the tags that we've added. Largemouth was one of them. And if we click on it, it'll show all of the photos with a largemouth tag. That's how you add photos to the photo gallery.